Hello students, welcome to 6th grade classes. Today we are going to reinforce reading and writing skills. First, it's time to read. Read about Rubén Darío. Rubén Darío was born in Nicaragua. He grew up with his grandparents and studied writing poetry at the age of 12. He was known as the boy poet. His real name was Félix Rubén García Sarmiento. His mom was Rosa Sarmiento, and his dad was Manuel García. He was born on January 18, 1867 in Metapa City, today called Ciudad Darío. His first teacher was Jacoba Tellería. Darío loved reading. When he was 3 years old, he learned to read. Rubén Darío wrote very famous books such as Azul in 1888, Prosas Profanas in 1896, Encantos de Vida y Esperanza in 1905. Darío has just one sister named Cándida Rosa. Darío passed away in León when he was 49 on February 6, 1916. Now it's time to the activity. Circle the right answer in each question. Number 1. When and where was Rubén Darío born? A. On August 23, 1933 in Jinotega. B. On January 18, 1867 in Metapa City. C. On February 6, 1916 in León. Very good. Letter B. 2. When did Rubén Darío start to read? A. When he was 3 years old. B. When he was 5 years old. C. When he was 4 years old. The right answer is letter A. Great job. Number 3. When did Rubén Darío publish his book Azul? A. In 1869. B. In 1905. C. In 1888. The right answer is letter C. Very good. Number 4. When did Rubén Darío die? A. On August 23, 1993. B. On February 6, 1916. C. On February 25, 1913. The right answer is very good. Letter B. Great job, dear students. Now, the next exercise is write the verbs in the past tense. Number 1. John and Betsy go. Now it's time to write the past tense. Very good. John and Betsy went to the Hilltop School for the first time yesterday. Number 2. They were. Right in the past tense. Very good. They wore their new school uniforms. 3. They have. Now, right in the past tense. Very good. They had a great time. Number 4. They buy. Now write the past tense. Very good. They bought a new house last year. And number 5. I make. Now it's time to write the past tense. Great job. I made a cake for her birthday. Great job. Now let's practice at home. Write a timeline information about Rubén Darío. For example, 1867. The information is he was born on January 18. Then we are going to write information for the other date. See you soon. Goodbye.